Hi y'all. So with Easter tomorrow, we're going to be doing a super simple lamb recipe today. And that is some rosemary mint lamb chops. So for this, we obviously have our lamb chops. Now I have 2 lamb chops, but our marinade should do up to 4. So if you're cooking more than 4 lamb chops, then multiply the rest of the ingredients accordingly. But we obviously have some mint and rosemary, both fresh. We also have some thyme and some basil, garlic, sea salt. You could use regular salt, but we're going to be using a little bit of sea salt and some olive oil. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with our food processor. We're going to take half a cup of our mint, about 3 tablespoons of our rosemary, about 2 tablespoons of our thyme, about 1/4 cup of our basil, and about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic, about 4 tablespoons of our olive oil, and about 2 teaspoons of our sea salt. Go ahead, throw our lid on our food processor, and let this run until everything is well blended. Alright y'all, so now to keep this simple, I've gone ahead, thrown my lamb chops in a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. We're just going to go ahead and get our puree mixture. And go ahead, seal this up. And we're going to go ahead and also mix this up really well. Also want to go ahead and get all the air out of this as much as possible. And now we can go ahead and throw this in the fridge from anywhere between 2 hours to overnight. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so after it sat for at least 2 hours, we're going to go ahead, take it out of the fridge, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, let it warm up to room temperature, and then we're going to go ahead and cook it. We're going to go ahead, put some olive oil in the bottom of our pan, and then we're going to cook this on a medium heat. And we're going to cook them on each side for about 4 to 8 minutes, depending on where you want them done. So I've cooked mine around 5-6 minutes. Gonna go ahead and flip them over, cook them for another 5-6 minutes. Alright y'all, once our loins are done, we're going to go ahead and pull them off. Then we're just going to go ahead and cover them and let them rest for about 5 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, now all we got left to do is plate this up with our favorite side dishes. But I hope you like this recipe. If you do, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. If you want to see anything cooked on this channel, go ahead, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.